Ho eiki mo mea mai.
E tau pehi a hono paka matala i sia se
Whanene no fo
ka i
Ki e hulu moe lahi o e mai si
si
Pene fifili ko e whei ana
i
Ai hala to tonu kene fo uai E whai whai e no fo fifili Pene toki lau e tohi a se mi Si tohi tapu o kune whakapapau E kamasiwa poto ko le pea e mau He i he tau taha lua noa He i he pongi pongi na e langi maa O pene toki alu ki he wata E kole ai toto nu ke whakaha Pea toki a mai hau mo tangata O ne whakaha ne kia si o se whai O te ke whakama a koe he tau e hiwa Pea te ke whokotu o pule anga Altani ma
O me tawa lua i wa
Haua si one
I a ori wa mo si o se whau
Tuku ai ki
Tuku ai ki mo i mo fua
Ke papita iso
E papita i so hiri he ni ma
O e whakama
O e whaahina o e tangata
He 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 Hei o le mele mai malanga O e ku whakamatala Kau whoki angi au E ki o mau taulanga O tani e mamata Ai o tupule anga E ngatu pea mo e whaula E kapo mohona la lava E kopula binaka He 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 he
Maloilale. My name is Elder Apuna, and I'm a missionary for the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. As a Polynesian people, we have passed on our most meaningful stories through song and dance. This is how we keep our culture and traditions alive. This dance is very sacred to us because it tells of one of the most important stories, when God the Father and His Son Jesus Christ appeared to one of His children and changed history forever. To learn more, please contact your nearest missionaries or visit us at comeintochrist.org. Ofalahiatu.